I'm going to pop this panel off first. I'm going to pop this panel off. Then this one. Then this one. And 2 hands to pull this off. Then this one. Screw there. Screw there. I think this one probably needs to come out. There's 2 up top there. And there'll be one. That one's actually missing already, so I shouldn't need to take that out. I've taken all the screws out, just giving this a yank down, and it just falls out. I need to disconnect that light. Glovebox just pulls straight out like that. Going into here. And this is the UCH. I think it's this one, but I'm going to go look at the instructions on the Smart Pro. Smart Pro shows it's this one, which is that one. And check the other, should as well. So black next to grey, black next to grey, grey at the side, black at the side. I'll try to take this off, but might need 2 hands. They're really tight, these. There we go. So again, that is going into the end of the new cable. So that in there. End of the cable in there. This in the end of the Smart Pro cable. And the OBD is on this side. Put the OBD in and then connect up the Smart Pro cable. So original key just sits there. Try and let you see the screen a bit better. Connect. Ignition's off. Hazards on. There we go. Program keys. Yes. Okay. Switch ignition on. You do sometimes get this. Me and Scott got this in the Clio as well, but it goes off once you unplug from here. This takes quite a while, that's why I've paused it just until it's nearly done. So I have to lean over. Open and close driver's door. No. So this key was supplied by the branch, so hopefully it works. It's brand new in packaging, so it should be fine. Procedure complete. Working. Working. So just need to build all this back up now. So again, just unplugging everything. So tight these. Plug that back in, brings the ignition and everything back on. So that's that all plugged in, so I'm going to check it starts before putting all that on. So it's just a case of putting everything back in, light in, just in like reverse order. 2 minutes to lift this in properly. Slides in really easy. I'm going to put all the screws back in now. That's them in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it would be 6, but that one was missing before I even started. Starting with putting this one back on, because that one can't go on without this one being on. The last time I'd done one of these, I couldn't work out why this wouldn't come off, but it's because this needs to come off. That one's on. Now we're going to put this one back on. I might have to take the seal off a bit just to tuck that under there, so I'm going to need 2 hands for this. Just took the seal off. You can see there's little clips here. It just pushes over them and it just clips in. This bottom one maybe needs to go round actually. So yeah, the bottom needs to go in first. It sort of slides in and back. Pushed on so much easier there, so I'll just put the seal back on. Just make sure it's right on, right in this corner. That goes on really easily. This one back on. Put this side one back on. The panels do actually come off pretty easily. The clips in that aren't that tight. It was only that one that was a bit tight, which is the last one to go back on. I didn't expect that to go on so easily. Pushed it in there, sort of folded it over and just bang it all on. Lights working. That's it done.